What's up? Welcome to another build. Well, first build. First build for YouTube. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. And stay tuned. We got a Noctua NHU12P. Very nice cooler. We have the ASRock P67 Extreme 4 Gen 3. We have an Intel Core i5 2500K. We have Corsair Vengeance 8 gigs of DDR3. Yep. 2 4 gig sticks if you didn't know. We have 2 drives here. Tell you the truth, I have no clue at all what these are. I forgot. I think he needed 2 DVD burners. I think. Or it either had one is a DVD burner, one of them is a Blu-ray, or I don't know. I can't remember. I have to look at the at his order to figure out what is which. Matter of fact, I got to do that before I even start building. Okay, we got a Western Digital 750 gigabyte hard drive, blue caviar, or caviar blue. And then for graphics, we have a R67, R68 770 Hulk, MSI, very nice. If I'm not mistaken, that video card is the what is it called? God dang it, Twin Frozer 3 cooler on it. So yeah, got your 3-year warranty with MSI. So yeah, you should be able to should be able to do any game at high settings, maybe even ultra. But yeah.